Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store, and I will guide you step by step how you can easily buy and connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store without any error or DNS error. So let's get started. First guys, open your GoDaddy.com. Then first you need to create an account on GoDaddy and verify it with your email address or phone number. Then after creating an account, you need to go directly to the search bar to find and buy your domain name. First guys, on the search bar tab, for example, or new switch, this is my YouTube channel name, or new switch for example. Then guys, enter. Then wait a few seconds guys, it's give you a bunch of different domain name .com, .ch, star, .co, .com. Then guys, when you select and you find which one that you want to buy, then hit on continue first. Then wait a few seconds. It's very easy guys to buy any domain name. Then guys, wait a few seconds to upload your domain name to buy it and link it with your Shopify. First guys, on the top you need to select how many years that you want, 2 years, 3, 5 to 10. I prefer, if you are a beginner, to choose the first one. Then guys, when you select full domain protection, it will be added 11.99, sorry. Then automatically it will be added in the purchase. Then guys, I prefer to unselect this because if you are a beginner. Then guys, after selecting your domain name, go to the payment section. You can buy it with PayPal or using your debit card or credit card. Then hit on the debit card. For example, I have already buy my domain name. Just select the payment card and add your information, but then on the last, hit on subscribe to buy your domain name. Then guys, after buying your domain name, go directly to your GoDaddy account, then hit on then open account, then hit on my product. It's take you directly to GoDaddy section. Then first select then select your domain name. It's very easy. Then I will show you how you can easily find your domain name. Then guys, on the left side, go to domain section on the left side. As you see guys, this is my domain name. Then guys, go directly to manage DNS. Then guys, go directly to your Shopify store. Then open your Shopify dashboard. Then on the bottom, hit on settings. Then scroll to domain section on the left side. Then guys, it's give you two different options: buy new domain on Shopify or connect an existing domain. Then hit the second one, connect an existing domain. Then guys, you need to add first www. Then paste your domain name. This is my domain name, allnewswitch.online. Copy and paste it. Then hit on next. Then guys, you need to add this CNAME, this record, CNAME record, a record and txt record to your domain name first. Then it will be automatically linked. Then make sure to finish this video until the end to be able with the similar process to add all this record to your domain name. Then first one, add a new record. Then first choose an option. Then go directly to a record. Then go to your Shopify. The first one, the same a record. Then copy all the value, go to the value and copy the value. Again, paste it. Then hit on save. Then the updating DNS, then automatically e-record was added successfully. Again, go back and the CNAME record, then copy the CNAME record. Again, add the new record, then the CNAME record, then paste it. then the value, go back to copy the value. This is the value, shops myshopify.com, then paste it, then the same TTL, hit on save. Wait a few seconds to add the record. As you see guys, successfully your DNS record has been updated successfully. Then go back again, the last one, txt record, then copy the name, then at the last one, txt record, and paste the name, the value, go back to copy the value. This is the required value, then copy and go back to paste it, then the same TTL and hit on save. Then guys, updating your DNS record has been updated successfully. Then after adding this record to your domain name, go back to your Shopify, then hit on verify collection, then hit on. As you see guys, my domain name was added successfully. Then after 48 hours it will be added automatically and will be linked to my Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add or link your domain name with the simple process by adding these 3 records or 2 records or any records that you have on your Shopify store. Then automatically you need to add this record to your Shopify, then it will be linked automatically, because it takes sometimes between 4 hours to 48 hours. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.